My name is Kerensa Koithan. I am a service advisor here at the Lake Avenue Service Center. I have been working here for Colton RV for a year now. My responsibilities here at Colton RV, I like to plan ahead, look at work orders the day before, see what I have coming in the next day, and then from there I will do an active check-in with the customers and go through and make a work order for them. Once I have the work order, I will dispatch their unit into the shop, and I go over all the customers' concerns with the technician so that they have a good understanding of what they're working on. After work is completed, the customer does come back and I do an active discharge with the customer, going over all the repairs that were done, and then their service here is completed. What I like most about working at Colton RV is working side by side with my coworkers. I learn so much day to day from the technicians, and it feels really good to help people and resolve the issues that they're having with their camper. The biggest advice I would give to someone that is coming to work at Colton RV is to have the willingness and be driven to continuously learn. Technology is constantly advancing, so everything with the RVs is also advancing and changing. And it's really important to have compassion in this job. You really need to understand people's concerns in order to help them resolve them.